In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Messenger unable to load camera roll. Let's get started. First, check your phone's permission because this is often the main cause. So launch settings, go to apps, find the app Messenger. Once you find it, launch it. Now navigate to the option photos. Make sure you have taken for the option full access. Likewise, head back. Make sure you have toggle on for the option camera. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is launch Messenger. Open any of the chat and instead of tapping the gallery icon, tap the camera icon. This will open your camera screen and from there you'll see a small preview of your gallery in the bottom corner. Tap it and camera roll should load properly. If that does not work, try another method by tapping the gallery icon again and looking for a Google Photos option at the top. Selecting it can let you access and send your images without issues. Finally, if this solution didn't work out for you, you can update your Messenger. For that, launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Messenger. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. And that's it. These are some fixes for unable to load camera roll error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.